Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2017 Buick Encore Premium. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.4-liter i4 turbocharged engine and has all-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing. We do have that nice backup camera right there, of course. We do have roof racks for all your cargo necessities. And we do have blind spot detection, which is pretty nice. And moving to the front, we do have that license plate bracket, front park sensing as well, and that nice Buick grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look at the back here, we do see we have plenty of cargo space. We do have hooks all around the back, which is pretty helpful. We do have a nice cargo area right there. And of course, if you need room, you can always fold down that row there. And lifting this up, come on. We do have a fair bit of cargo space with the spare tire, which is pretty nice. Taking a look on the interior now, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice black leather interior. And of course, if you don't need that extra person in the back, come on, you can always pull that out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. We do have a 120 volt outlet down here, which is pretty nice. And we do have plenty of door space as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered, and we do have memory seating for up to 2 drivers with the same black leathering we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space again. Bose sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice, as well as the leather accents on the door. You have your lights right there. And taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 163,994 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your phone, voice, volume, and so on and so forth. Cruise control settings right here. As well as taking a look down here, we do have 2 cup holders, your parking brake. This does slide open, providing you with a fair bit of storage. And continue your look at our main screen here. And looking right here, you do have your speed adjusters, and this does open up, providing you with a 12 volt outlet and an aux right there. You have your hazards, traction control, lane keep, park sensing, your heated front seats, heated steering wheel function, climate of course, and over here you do have storage in your glove box, and we do have nice leather accents. You have your functions for your little moonroof up here, which keeps the vehicle nice and light inside, and you do have a garage door transmitter, which is pretty cool. You have your OnStar calling right there, and your main screen here, where you can go through audio, phone, projection, navigation, traffic, app shop, such as music, phone, navigation, messaging. I'm gonna go back real quick. Settings such as time, language, valet mode, radio, vehicle, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is pretty handy. Text, traffic, of course, and so on and so forth. The stock number for this vehicle is KF41688A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call if interested.